Hello, everybody. It is Jen for this week's Daily Dose of Movement. You need you and some floor space. So begin. To begin, you're going to start. Set your feet in a comfortable spot, and you're just going to take your nose. You are going to turn it left. You're going to let your eyes look left as well, and then turn it right. Let your eyes look right as well. And just play with that. See how far behind you your eyes can look. Ooh. Now, keep your eyes centered, looking maybe at me. Turn your head. And go ahead and let that go. You're going to take your shoulders up by your ears, behind you, down, and forward. Play with that. You can let your knees bend a little bit. Once that starts to get comfortable, you can kind of let your knees be responsive and maybe your back be responsive. So maybe the shoulder circles get a little more integrated with the rest of your body. Take your feet on the wide side. You're going to take your hands, you're going to reach them to the floor. They're going to touch the floor. And I want you to imagine there is something directly in front of you that you don't want to touch, and it's very close to your body. So you're going to take your hands behind that thing. You don't want to touch it. And then you're going to reach it around that thing. Again, behind that thing, don't touch it. And around. One more time. Behind and around. From here, take your right arm. You're going to reach it to the right. You're going to see if you can get your fingertips to graze the ceiling. Keep reaching them over. It's like they're going to touch the wall that's to your side, and then they're going to graze the floor. All the way to the right. All the way up to the ceiling. All the way to the left. One more time. Really reaching. Seeing if you can get those fingers to touch. Now from here, you're over to the right, you're going to pretend like you're pulling something into you. You're passing it to your left hand. And you do the same thing with those left fingers. You're going to pretend like you're going to touch the wall that's to your left. You're going to reach up to the ceiling like you're going to touch the ceiling. All the way to your right. All the way to the floor. Really reach the fingers. It's like they're making contact with these various points of the room. From here, you're all the way to the left. You're going to pull that hand in. You're going to take your feet a bit closer together. You're going to take an imaginary object in your right hand. It's something precious and you don't want it to drop. For some reason, I always imagine it's a golden egg. I have no idea why. I've never had a golden egg, but in my mind, there's a golden egg in my hand. Soften your knees. You're going to take your golden egg. It's going to keep facing the ceiling the whole time, and you don't want to crush it, so your fingers are never going to wrap around it. You're going to take it up towards the ceiling. Now, when you get here, again, you don't want to drop your golden egg, but you need to figure out a way to get your elbow underneath you. So you're going to bend your elbow. Don't drop the egg. Palm is facing towards the ceiling in front of you again. You're going to do it again. Up and around. When you get here, elbow bends so you don't drop the egg. One more time. Reach. Don't drop the egg. Now pass the egg carefully to the other hand. Same thing. Palm starts up towards the ceiling. Don't drop it. Bend the elbow so you can bring it through. Bend the elbow to bring it through. One more time. Up. Around. Bend the elbow. Bring it through. Imagine you have set the golden egg somewhere else. You're going to slide your hands down your legs to the floor. You're going to walk your hands forward so that your knees are hovering just above the ground. From here, start to see if you can feel the sense that you're pressing the outsides of your thumbs and the outsides of the pinky fingers into the ground. Once you've got that, lower your knees to the ground. Keep that reach to the outside of the thumb and the outside of the pinky fingers as you take your shoulder blades together. Take your shoulder blades apart. Just back and forth there. Take 2 more for me, please. Perfect. You're going to take your knees, you're going to walk them back, and then you're just going to lower your hips to the floor and then lower your chest to the floor. From here, reach I'm going to face you, it's easier to see. Reach the right arm out to the right. The left arm stays bent. My left hand is right under my left elbow. I'm going to look over my left shoulder. I'm going to press into my left hand, and I'm going to take this left leg. I'm going to reach it behind me like it can touch. Bring it back. And then left arm reaches out. Right arm bends. I look over my right shoulder. My right knee bends so I can reach my right foot, touch it behind me. Back and forth there. Take 1 more on the other side. From here, you're going to reach your hips forward. That's going to lift your chest up. And then you're just going to reach your hips back. That's going to sit you back. Once you get into that seated back position, cross at your ankles so you can come into a seated position. From here, you're in a simple cross-legged situation. You're going to take your left hand to the outside of your right knee, and you're just going to press your hand into the knee, which might rotate your torso a little bit. This right hand can start to reach behind you. Then you're going to take the right hand to the left knee. I'm in this weird crisscross position with my arms. I'm going to start to pull the knee in. That's going to rotate me so my left fingers can reach behind me. Oh, that feels good. Left hand, right knee, reach. Right hand, left knee, reach. Take your hands behind you, your fingertips. I like to have them pointing outwards. You're going to start to reach the knees forward a little bit. So I'm going to have my heels actually pretty close to my bottom. My knees are going to reach forward and then back. Try that 2 more times. Knees reach forward and back. Last one. Go ahead and crisscross at the ankles. Slide your hands in front of you again. Uncross your feet. Flex the toes. Walk your hands back to your legs. Slide your hands up. Shake your arms out. You're going to take an open left palm. It's just going to slap down your right arm. Slap back up your right arm. And then you're going to switch open right palm. It slaps down your left arm. Slaps back up your left arm. Final. You're going to slide the backs of your hands together. You're going to reach the fingertips towards the floor. As you slide your hands up, they reach to your elbows. Elbows reach up towards the ceiling. And then you pull your elbows behind you. Do that 3 more times. Backs of the hands. Fingers to floor. Slide your hands to your elbows. Elbows reach up towards the ceiling. Elbows reach behind you. Start to see if you can round your back as you come up. And when you round your back, round your whole back. And then it unrounds when you stand up. Bring yourself back together. Give yourself a moment. Maybe let your eyes close. Feel where everything is. Take 3 breaths. Maybe as you breathe, maybe you feel your inhale filling your arms all the way down to your fingertips. And your exhale, exiting out, waving your arms back to you. Go ahead and open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me. As always, if you found this interesting or useful, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all the things. And this is the last free one. So there's 10 free ones on YouTube and on the website. So you can go to either place to access those. If you want to continue doing these, that's an option as well, but they will be just on the paid portion of the website. All right. Thank you so much for your time. That was so much fun for me. Bye.